Thank you for choosing DreamHome. My name is Tony Calabro and I'm the product manager here. In this video, I want to walk you through the steps of replacing your roof. First thing we have to do is go ahead and order a satellite imaging of your roof so I know exactly all the material that we need to order. Next, we're going to go ahead and reach out to you, give you a call to set up the install date. Once we have that install date, we're going to have our supplier drop off all the material that we need for your roof the day before we actually start. On the day of the work, our crews can come out between about 7 to 8 a.m. in the morning to get started. It's going to be typically a 1 to 2 day process to get your roof replaced. Once the crew is done, they make sure everything is cleaned up and you never knew they were there, except for the fact that you have a brand new roof on your home. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns during your project, feel free to reach out to me via phone, email, or text. Thanks again for choosing DreamHome. We'll see you soon.